Imagine if you could rank your video on the first page of YouTube and the first page of Google. You'd get double the amount of search traffic. Here's my video that currently ranks on page 1 of Google search out of 55 million results. It displays a huge thumbnail at the top of the page. It also appears in the carousel under the huge thumbnail. The thumbnail is also the first image that appears under images on the first page of Google. Here's the same video that currently ranks number 8 on the first page of YouTube. Here's a blog post on the same topic that currently ranks number 5 on the first page of Google. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank a YouTube video on the first page of Google and on the first page of YouTube. You'll also learn the different ranking factors between Google and YouTube. You'll discover the tools I use to find keyword phrases that rank both on YouTube and Google so you can get more traffic. You'll also learn where to find the top videos that currently rank in Google, something that YouTube Analytics doesn't show. Hi, my name's Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload new content. How do I find keyword phrases for videos that will rank on page 1 of Google and YouTube? First, I want to make sure that I have a keyword phrase that people are typing into YouTube search. When I type how to get 4,000 watch hours into YouTube search, I get a bunch of related keyword phrases. The keyword phrases at the top of the list get more search volume than the ones lower on the list, so these would be great keyword phrases to go after. When I type how to get 4,000 watch hours into Google search, I immediately see a huge thumbnail at the top of the page. I also see related keywords as well as keywords under people also search for. If I scroll further down the page, I see a video carousel of video thumbnails. This confirms that videos will actually show on Google search. I use a tool called TubeBuddy to find keyword phrases that I can rank for on YouTube and Google. If I enter how to get 4,000 hours on YouTube in the keyword explorer on TubeBuddy, I get a keyword score of 48 out of 100. It also gives me related keyword phrases that I can use, such as how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube fast. If I check web searches, then it also gives me a great keyword score of 70 out of 100, which is very good. Now I know that the keyword phrase, how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube fast, is a keyword phrase that will rank on YouTube and Google. Click the link in the description to learn more about TubeBuddy. You can get 20% off any paid upgrade by using the promo code HermansBuddy at checkout. Let's check another keyword research tool called Morning Fame. If I select how to get 4,000 hours on YouTube fast, it will give me the letter grades and also a double green check, which means that it occurs in both YouTube and Google. If I click on further analysis, I can see the search results on YouTube and Google. Here are the current search results for Google, which shows my huge thumbnail and related keyword phrases. Here are the current video results on the first page of YouTube, where my video currently ranks number 6. Now that I've selected my keyword phrase to rank on page 1 of Google and YouTube, I want to also optimize the metadata. I enter the title, how to get 4,000 hours on YouTube fast, which is 40% of 40% achieved. I'm also going to add it to the description. I can also check highlight tags, which highlights the tags that I need to use in my description. Now I want to add relevant tags to my video. Make sure you add the keyword phrases that have the green checks or the double green checks next to them. The double green checks means that the keyword phrases occur in YouTube and Google. The thumbnail comparison tool on Morning Fame allows you to compare your thumbnail with your competitors' thumbnails. Ideally, you want to make your thumbnail stand out from your competitors so people will click on your thumbnail instead of your competitors. Morning Fame also displays the different thumbnail sizes for different devices. It shows you the thumbnail size for your desktop, tablet, and even your phone. It also shows you the different thumbnail size for dark mode. How can you view your video rankings in Google search? Go to the Analytics tab at Morning Fame and click on Algorithm. Under Google search, click on Top Videos. You can filter the top videos over the last 28 days or the last 7 days. This is very helpful because you can make more videos based upon the top performing videos in Google search. What are the different ranking factors between YouTube and Google? The top ranking factors for YouTube include the click-through rate, audience retention, and watch time. The impressions click-through rate means how many people have clicked on the thumbnail after seeing it in YouTube search. Audience retention refers to how many people stay engaged throughout your video. Ideally, you want 50% of your viewers watching your video all the way through. Watch time refers to how many minutes people are watching a video or successive videos in a row. So if viewers watch more than one video, they're staying longer on the YouTube platform, which Google loves. If your videos don't get a high click-through rate, audience retention, or watch time, they won't do well in YouTube search. Google has different ranking factors. Ranking on Google is based upon search intent, so Google wants to show the best information on the first page based upon what a viewer is typing into the search engines. So in my case, I chose the title, How to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube fast. YouTube decided that my YouTube video was the best information to display to viewers, so they play a suggested clip of the best information for 101 seconds. As I showed you earlier in the video, you might see a huge thumbnail as a result of ranking your video on Google search. Your video will also appear in the video carousel on Google search. If Google shows a large thumbnail, they'll often play a snippet from that video. Rankings on YouTube often happen immediately, whereas on Google they take a longer time. Sometimes your videos can take weeks, months, or even years to rank on Google. This is especially true if you want to see large thumbnails displayed on the first page of Google. Another great thing about Google is that your web pages or posts can also appear in search engine rankings. These often take longer to appear. What are some of the best practices to rank your YouTube videos on the first page of Google and YouTube? Number 1, target keywords that rank both on Google and YouTube. Number 2, check if videos appear in Google search. If no videos appear on Google search, there's no point on trying to rank your videos on Google search. Number 3, create an awesome thumbnail. As I showed you previously, you might get a huge thumbnail that will display at the top page of Google search. If you want to know how to create an awesome thumbnail, click the link in the description below this video. Number 4, transcribe your video content. You can edit the auto-generated transcript from YouTube, or you can get it done for you by a service like GoTranscript. I'll place a link to GoTranscript in the description below this video. Number 5, add the transcript to your blog or website. As I showed you earlier, your blog post or your website can also rank in the search engines. I typically take the transcript and post it on my blog. Number 6, embed your video in the blog post. When you embed a video on your blog post or website, it'll help visitors to stay longer on that web page. This is also one of the contributing factors to ranking your blog post in Google search. Just make sure you optimize the title, description, and tags similar to what you do for YouTube videos. Number 7, link to related videos and posts within your blog post. Internal linking between blog posts will help your videos and posts rank in Google search. Number 8, add timestamps in your video description. Did you know that you can add live links in the description to different parts of your video? If I publish a long video like a live stream, then I typically add timestamps to the video in the description. This also helps your viewers to navigate to that particular section of your video. Number 9, monitor your traffic sources. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Analytics, then click the Reach tab. Immediately you see different traffic source types for your channel. For example, on my channel, the top traffic sources are external and YouTube search. If I click on See More, then click External, I can see where the external traffic sources are coming from. 60% of my channel's traffic comes from Google search, so I know that that is a great source of traffic for my channel. As you can see, suggested videos is only 2.9%. How can you get more traffic from suggested videos on YouTube? Watch my next video on how to get discovered on YouTube via suggested videos. You'll get free promotion by YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.